Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable two-step verification in Gmail in just a few simple steps. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Select the Gmail account in which you want to enable two-step verification. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Go to the Security tab. Scroll down and tap on Two-Step Verification. Tap on Get Started. Sign in again to confirm it's you. Now enter your phone number. Select how you want to receive the code, via text message or call. Tap on Next. Enter the verification code, then tap Next again. Finally, tap Turn On to enable two-step verification. And that's it. Two-step verification is now enabled on your Gmail account. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.